Officials urged residents of the U.S. Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico on Tuesday to complete preparations and find shelters before the storm hits.
We are working to move them to a safe area. Many of them are going to stay with family, others are declining, and so we are doing what is required by the law to assure them a safe place during this phenomenon that awaits us.
The National Hurricane Center said Maria is expected to strike Puerto Rico on Wednesday with winds of more than 250 kilometers per hour and heavy rains.
The bad weather is coming, and it is going to take the little we have. You know how that is. I am very worried, because it is going to leave me without my home. It is sad to have it, and then to lose everything.
Hurricane Irma left about 70% of Puerto Rico's homes without power and caused about $1 billion worth of damage. Officials warned Maria could be catastrophic. It has already killed at least one person on the French island territory of Guadeloupe.
At the moment, we're in the blackout zone, so it is very, very, very difficult to communicate with Guadeloupe. We'll begin reconnaissance operations in a few hours, and at the end of the day, we'll have precise information about the initial damage.
The storm caused floods on Martinique, but it was harder on the island of Dominica, where officials say it ripped roofs from almost every house. For some Caribbean islands, the second monster storm to hit within days may be harder to bear.
All of the debris that's piled up behind me, we're worried about that becoming projectile.
But it's not the end of hurricane season yet. Hurricane Jose formed immediately after Irma, and although weaker, it is producing dangerous surf and rip currents along the eastern U.S. coast. Zlatica Hoke, VOA News, Washington.